guys, our video for today is our 2-day trip to Regina, and after 1 hour drive we dropped by Panda Restaurant at Davidson, Saskatchewan, Canada. Nandito kami sa Panda Restaurant with Mary and Jay and Jess we are we're traveling to Regina. Of course, posing muna while waiting for our food. Kain tayo, guys. Oh, ayan na ang pagkain namin. Ang dami-dami. So, let's eat. Then, we proceed with our trip and we arrive at Wascana Lake Park in Regina. So, before going to our accommodation, we drop by at this park and take pictures and of course posing kahit saan. At last we are here at Days Inn Regina. Gia is checking our booking. So habang naghihintay kami patingin-tingin, hahanap ng kape si Mary. And of course, picture muna. Then nung okay na ang lahat, of course, huwag kalimutan ang group pictures. Diba? Ganyan talaga para well-documented ang travel. Okay, so, ito na, mag-picture taking na. Yan, smile. Smile here and there. Ganyan ang buhay, parang turista. Hello, guys! How are you, everyone? Right now, we are here at Days Inn Regina. So we are on room 312. Okay, this is our room. I'm here with Gia. And in the other room there is Jess family. And this is our room. I will show you around our room. So yeah, pakita ko sa inyo ha. Ito ang malalaking bed. O tag-isa kami ni Gia. 1, 2, at malaking sofa. And then this is like the table for everything from here to there. So nandito mga bagahe namin. One night only, so backpack only. So there is a computer chair dito. Kung meron kang mga laptop, hindi ko na lang laptop. May mga drawer dito. You can put your stuff. Okay, may dalawang upuan din. At saka they have the microwave. And they have this small fridge. Walang laman. Okay, maliit. At itong mga kape. This is my dala-dala. So, yan. And then, there's the door, entrance door. And right at the entrance, mayroon dito salamin. Magandang salamin. Okay, there it is. May salamin. O, diba? Kita. And right next to the salamin is their washroom. Itong washroom nila. Yan lang ang kanyang parang sink. Yan. May sabon. Compliments Dove. Bitbitin kita. At saka towels. Of course, the toilet. And the shower. Dove pa rin ang kanilang mga shampoo, lotion, body wash, whatever. So, yan lang. Yan ang mga Dove products, good. And paglabas mo ng washroom, opposite dito, ang hanger ko, mayroong ganda. May plancha. May plancha doon. O, diba? It's nice. So, that's it. Yan lang ang room namin. So, we will enjoy for a night. And tomorrow, we will drive back home. Maybe late. And, pakita ko pala, this one. Ang frame nila. What is that? And we have TV. Yan. And we have Dream. Ganda rin. But most importantly, we will rest on these big beds. Okay, tonight. I don't know what we will do here, just for night. Okay, so that's my room tour at room 312 at Days Inn, Regina. So this time, rest muna sandali, and the next destination is Jollibee. Oh, what's up, guys? We are here at Regina. So I am with Gia and his family, and we'll be eating lots of chicken joy. Gia's favorite is chicken joy. So I don't know how much we can eat, but we will try it. Okay, so ito ay Pinoy, Papa Pinoy, come on everyone! Tara na! Oops, picture muna with Jollibee, and then kainan na! It's time to go back home, but before going home, picture and Jollibee again. Kain na naman sa Jollibee para busog at busog habang nagbiyahe pa uwi. Okay, yan. At tumaan kami sa Musjo, the beautiful Wacamo Valley. Ito yung valley na napakaganda para sa akin sa Musjo. So, we drop by and see the view, take pictures, kahit ano lang. Basta makapicture. Ayan na. Hanggang umuwi na, tuloy-tuloy na. And dumaan na naman sa Chamberlain para kumain lang ng ice cream. That's our trip. Kain-kain, relax-relax, and picture-picture. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and write a comment. Thank you.